Is your hot water suddenly gone? You might be wondering, can you repair a water heater? I'm here from Trusted Plumbing and Heating to help answer that question. Water heaters are essential for a comfortable home, giving you hot showers, clean dishes, and everyday convenience. But when water heater problems strike, like leaks, rust, or no hot water, it can create real stress. It's tempting to try and fix a water heater yourself, but these systems are complicated and sometimes risky. Water heater repair often involves natural gas or electricity, and tackling it without the right training can be dangerous for you and your property. Instead, professional help ensures your system is repaired safely and correctly. At Trusted Plumbing and Heating, our experienced technicians take the time to inspect your unit, check for common issues like leaks, sediment buildup, and faulty heating elements, and give you honest advice on repair or replacement. Some problems can be repaired, like replacing a thermostat, fixing a relief valve, or flushing out sediment buildup. But if you're facing constant issues like major leaks or an old tank, we may recommend a full water heater installation to save you time and money. Regular heater maintenance is also crucial. Annual servicing catches small issues early, keeps your water heater running efficiently, and helps prevent big emergencies. So, can you repair a water heater? Yes, with the right expertise. If you're in Renton, Kent, West Seattle, Tacoma, or in the surrounding areas and need help with water heater repair, maintenance, or installation, let the professionals at Trusted Plumbing and Heating help. Reach out to us today and visit us at trustedplumbingheating.com. For more info, check out our full blog in the description below.